Okay, family and friend. Now I'm gonna make the hole in the pipe. So I use a 3 inches. I measure it exactly where it goes, and now I'm going to make the hole. Also use glove because it's the main waste. Then you have to make it just a little, that way it won't fall inside. Because if it fall inside, you will have a problem. So I already cut it. Now I'm going to tilt it back to be able, it doesn't fall inside. There you go. That's your hole right there. That's your hole right there, exactly how it goes. Now, you put the brace on top. It's right on the nose. Make sure you use the right side. If you use a 4, guess what? You're making it too weak. Thank you.